In this video, I'll show you how to add Torrentio on Stremio and explain why Torrentio might be missing. If you can't find Torrentio in Stremio, it's likely because of missing add-ons or an outdated version of the app. Torrentio isn't automatically included, so you'll need to manually install it. First, open any browser and go to Stremio.com. Download the latest version of the Stremio app for your device. Once downloaded, install and launch the app. Now open a new browser tab and go to Torrentio. Strem.fun/configure. On the configuration page, click the Install button. When prompted, select Open Stremio. exe to give permission. After the installation finishes, the Torrentio add-on will appear in your Stremio dashboard. That's how you can easily add Torrentio to Stremio and fix the missing issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.